Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Bjorn, aka Bjorn to Sell with Hewitt Jackson Real Estate. If you're in the market for a new home, one of the biggest decisions you'll face is whether to buy a fixer-upper or a move-in ready home. Today I'm going to explore the pros and cons of each option to help you make the best decision for your needs. But before we dive in too deep, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up to help us know over here that you're enjoying this content and that it's helping you out. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about fixer-upper homes. These are properties that, well, they need a little TLC, but they come with the potential for customization and often a lower initial price. Here are some key advantages of a fixer-upper. Of course, as I mentioned before, one is the ability to customize a space according to your preferences. If you want to add a room or remodel a bathroom or switch up the kitchen, you have the freedom to make it your own. Investing in a fixer-upper can lead to significant equity growth. As you renovate the property, its value may increase, offering you a return on investment when it's time to sell. Lastly, and almost obviously, is the lower initial cost. Fixer-uppers often come with that lower price tag compared to a move-in ready home. This can be appealing for those looking to enter the housing market with a more budget-friendly option. Now, it seems like there's a ton of positive in a fixer-upper, right? Sign me up right now. What could possibly be the other side of the equation? Well, let's talk about that. Renovating a fixer-upper is going to take time and effort. If you have a busy schedule and aren't prepared for the renovation process, this might not be the best choice for you. It's also important to be brutally honest about your ability. How much of this can you do on your own and what parts might require a professional, which are going to cost some money. Now, I'm not judging anybody's skills. I'm even acknowledging that with great resources like YouTube, you can learn just about anything. What I am saying is that projects are not as easy as it seems on the DIY shows, so be honest and be prepared. Another important factor to consider is cost. Be prepared for unexpected costs when you're renovating. These projects can uncover issues that weren't initially visible, leading to additional expenses. It's essential to have a buffer in your budget for these surprises. Now let's shift our focus to move-in ready homes. These are properties that are ready for occupancy without any major renovations. Let's look at the advantages and disadvantages. Move-in ready homes offer the convenience of settling in immediately. You won't need to deal with the stress of renovations, making it an ideal option for those with a busy lifestyle. Unlike fixer-uppers, move-in ready homes come with predictable costs. You generally know what you're getting into from the start. This reduces the risk of financial surprises. Move-in ready homes also have the benefit of time savings. If time is of the essence, a move-in ready home is the way to go because you can avoid the lengthy renovation process and move into your home and get settled in right away. Now let's look at the other side of the coin. While move-in ready homes are convenient, they often offer limited customization options. That is to say, if you have a specific want or need in a move-in ready home, it might actually involve extensive work to get it done, which kind of negates the idea of having a move-in ready home, right? The convenience of a move-in ready home comes at a price. These properties typically have an initial higher cost compared to fixer-uppers. It's essential to weigh the benefits against your budget. Ultimately, whether you choose a fixer-upper or a move-in ready home, that depends on your priorities, your budget, and your willingness to take on a renovation project. Consider your lifestyle, preferences, financial situations very carefully before making the decision. If you found this video helpful, again, give me that thumbs up. It helps out a lot. And maybe share it with someone who might be in the home buying market. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of this insight from time to time. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, be kind to one another.